bad speakers can make a great car feel old fast. If your music sounds thin, muddy, or weak, a better set of 4x6 speakers can make a real difference. In this video, I'll go over the best 4x6 speakers and help you see which one may fit your setup best. These picks come in different price ranges, and each one can make more sense for a different kind of listener. So stick around to see which option matches your needs. Links to all the products are in the description. If this video helps, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. Drop any questions in the comments, and now let's get into the reviews. Number 6. Pioneer TS G4620S. At number 6, this pick is for viewers who want a simple speaker swap without spending much. The budget pricing is a big part of the appeal, mainly if you just want cleaner sound from an older factory setup. It uses a two-way coaxial design, with an oval frame made to replace many factory speakers without a complicated setup. It handles 200 watts at max, with 30 watts continuous, and the frequency range runs from 35 Hz to 22 kHz. For everyday listening, that gives you cleaner vocals, brighter detail, and enough range for a basic car audio upgrade. The woofer uses an injected molded polypropylene and mica cone paired with a 1 3/16 inch balanced dome tweeter. That mix is meant to keep the sound clear without making the speaker too heavy or hard to fit. The shallow mount can help in tighter spots, and the pair includes wire extensions and mounting hardware. One thing to keep in mind is bass. Some listeners may find it a bit muddy depending on the vehicle and install. It is not water resistant either, so door panel installs may need extra care. Still, for a budget factory replacement, this one makes sense for clean, easy everyday listening. Number 5. DS18 Gen X 4.6. At number 5, this pick keeps things low cost, yet it brings more energy than a basic stock swap. The budget price makes it a smart option for viewers who want louder sound without moving into a higher spending range. Here, the design is still simple, but the goal leans more toward volume and clean upper detail. The frequency range goes from 105 Hz to 20 kHz, so the focus is more on mids and highs than deep bass. That can work well for vocals, guitars, podcasts, and brighter detail, but bass lovers may still want a subwoofer or a stronger setup. The black paper woofer uses a rubber edge, and the 29mm Mylar dome tweeter helps with clean upper notes. It is made for vehicle doors in cars, Jeeps, motorcycles, and similar installs. The brand has this same line in several sizes. A few things are worth watching. Some buyers mention thin included wires, high volume distortion, and tweeter failures after short use. For a budget pick, though, it can suit someone who wants clear, loud sound and an easy upgrade path. Number 4. Kenwood KFC 4675C. For number 4, this one feels like a practical step up from the most basic factory replacements. It makes sense for someone who wants cleaner everyday sound from a trusted brand without moving into a more serious custom setup. This one is built around a straightforward coaxial layout, so it can fit many stock speaker spots in cars, trucks, and older work vehicles. It has a 120-watt maximum rating per pair, with 4 ohm impedance and a frequency range from 50 Hz to 25 kHz. That range gives it good reach on the high end, so voices, cymbals, and small details can come through with better clarity. For materials, it uses an injection-molded polypropylene woofer with a treated cloth surround, plus a 1-inch PPTA balanced dome tweeter. The shallow depth can help with dash or door installs, and many buyers say fitment is easy in compatible vehicles. The main trade-off is bass. A speaker this small will not hit like a larger system, so it is better for cleaner mids and highs than deep low-end punch. Grills are not included either. Still, for clear sound, easy replacement, and good day-to-day listening, this pick feels like a safe upgrade. Number 3. Polk Audio DB462. Number 3 is the kind of pick that makes sense when your vehicle sees more than clean pavement. The mid-range cost is higher than the earlier budget options, but it brings a tougher build and better protection for outdoor use. The key difference here is that it is made for more than basic cabin use, with a design that can work in cars, boats, motorcycles, and ATVs. It is rated at 150 watts peak and 50 watts RMS, with 4 ohm impedance, 90 decibel sensitivity, and a 50 Hz to 22 kHz frequency range. So, like most speakers this size, it is more about clear mids and highs than deep low-end punch. The polypropylene woofer uses a rubber surround, And the 3/4-inch Silk Dome tweeter is paired with a built-in passive crossover. That setup can help vocals and detail stay cleaner, with less harshness. The IP56 marine rating is the standout here, since it is built to handle splashes, humidity, salt fog, and UV exposure. Grills and mounting hardware come in the box, which is nice for a finished look. Fit can still depend on the vehicle, and some installs may need extra work. The low end may feel light too. Pick this one if durability matters as much as sound clarity. Number 2. Infiniti Ref 467F. Taking the number 2 spot, this pick is for someone who wants a more polished sound from a small factory opening. It lands in the upper mid-range price area, so it costs more than the early picks, but it brings a more refined speaker design. Rather than leaning on big watt numbers, this one focuses on cleaner output from a compact factory-style setup. It is rated at 45 watts RMS and 135 watts peak, with a 3 ohm impedance and 92 decibel sensitivity. That higher sensitivity can help it play clearly without needing a huge system behind it. The oversized +1 woofer gives the cone more surface area, which can help with mid-range body and a bit more low-end reach than you might expect from this size. The edge-driven textile tweeter is meant to keep the highs smooth, so vocals and detail do not feel too sharp at louder levels. Installation should be fairly simple in many factory spots, with foam mounting tape and a manual included. Just keep in mind it is not waterproof, and fit still depends on the vehicle. For cleaner highs, smoother mids, and a more mature sound, this is a strong step-up choice. Number 1. Rockford Fosgate T1462. For the top spot, this one is aimed at viewers who want the most serious option in this lineup. It sits in the premium price range, so it makes the most sense if sound quality and build matter more than keeping the cost low. Instead of chasing the biggest rating, this speaker puts more focus on materials, control, and output from a compact shape. The numbers are not the loudest on the list, but the design is where it stands out. The carbon fiber and polypropylene cone is made to stay light and stiff, and the aluminum dome tweeter helps give the highs a clean, sharp feel. There is an integrated concealed crossover inside, which sends the right frequencies to each driver. The vast surround design increases the usable cone area by up to 25%, which can help output from such a small speaker size. Installation hardware and adapter plates are included, but fit is the main thing to check. Some vehicles may need bracket changes, and tweeter height can be an issue in certain dash spots. For a premium 4x6 upgrade, this is the strongest pick here. And that's the full list of the best 4x6 speakers. Before you go, take a look at the other videos on the channel for more helpful buying guides. Thanks for watching.